Question number 2. The age of Nora, Oliver, and Philip is 140 years old. Oliver is thrice as old as Nora. This is relation 1. Oliver is thrice. That means 3 times. If Oliver is 3 units, Nora will be 1 unit, because Oliver is 3 times as old as Nora. Philip is twice as old as Oliver. This is relation 2. Twice means 2 times. What is the repeated item in both relations? The repeated item is Oliver, because Oliver appears in both relations. And how can we link the relations? How can we link up 1 and 2? Since Oliver is the repeated item, it appears in both relation 1 and 2. We will use Oliver to link them up. Let's enter the problem using the first statement here. Oliver is thrice as old as Nora. In other words, Oliver will have 3 units and Nora will have 1 unit. We can see here that Oliver has 3 parts or 3 units and Nora has only 1 part and 1 unit. So Oliver is 3 times as old as Nora. Do we know what is the actual age? We do not know. So we are still working in units or parts. And these are all equal units. Okay, let's just put 1U inside all of these small boxes to remind ourselves that these are all equal units. Now on to the next relation. Philip is twice as old as Oliver. Oliver is 3 units in the first relation. So to link them up, we need to assign 3 units to Oliver. They have to be the same in relation 1 and 2 because they are repeated. Since Oliver is 3 units here and Philip is twice, that means 2 times. So Philip will be 6 units. How do we get 6? It's 2 times 3. So let's draw 6 units in the model for Philip. We have Philip, and Philip has twice as much as Oliver. So that will be a total of 6 units. And this represents the entire model for the question. We are given that their total age is 140 years. Okay, so this is in real number. This is actual number, 140 years. And 140 years is also represented by how many units? We have 6 units for Philip, 3 units for Oliver, and 1 unit for Nora. What is the total number of units in this model? 6 plus 3 plus 1, that's 10 units. And what is the total age of these 3 people? 140 years. That means that 10 units, okay, 10 parts, 10 units is equals to 140 years. The question wants us to find how much older is Philip than Nora. Okay, let's see from the model. Philip has 6 units. Nora has 1 unit. That means Philip will have 5 units more. So these 5 units is how many years? That's what we need to find. Let's go ahead to do the working. So we counted that there are 10 units, and these 10 units is 140 years. So 1 unit will be 140 divided by 10. That will be 14 years. To find 5 units, we will take 14 times 5. 14 times 5, that gives us 70 years. So Philip is older than Nora by 70 years, and that's the answer.